Do you ever find that some of your email disappears? I'm Kurt the CyberGuy. You see it 1 second, and then one or two, or sometimes even more emails seem to vanish. Emails can be hard enough to keep track of, and it's even more difficult to find an email when a conversation thread automatically gets grouped together without your knowledge. The good news is there's a way for you to shut this feature off. Now, what do I mean by an email being grouped together? Email messages are grouped automatically when each message has the same recipient, senders, or subject of a previous message. This means that you may miss an email if someone else responds to the same email chain, or if an email has the same subject, whatever it may be, you may find it easier to keep track of your email messages by turning this feature off. I do. If you use Gmail, you can turn this off by logging into your Gmail account, tapping the gear icon in the corner for settings, tap More Settings, and then scroll down to Conversation View. Select the bubble next to the Conversation View switch and turn it off. If you use Yahoo Mail, log into your account and click Settings on the top right, tap More Settings, then on the left tap Viewing Email. Then be sure to toggle off Group by Conversation. Now on Outlook, which a lot of us use, log into your account or open the Outlook app and then tap View, then uncheck Show as Conversations. How easy is that? To find out more solutions that make you smarter, head to cyberguy.com and sign up for my free newsletter.